guys, once again welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're doing well. New and latest crochet pattern ideas, a glass clutch, crochet or delicate lace clutch for elegant evenings out. Use a fine yarn and a small hooks for intricate details, and get creative by designing a bag in the shape of and different style looks, such as a beautiful flower, sunflower, and different crochet flower looks. And flat bag, crochet a bag using wool and then flat it in the washing machine for a unique sturdy finish. So latest and new, different design and different looks. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end. Mention me in comment section for your feedback and response. What are some ideas related to handbags and design? What are some crochet handbags ideas? Popular and stylish accessories. So feel free to ask for comment section.